After business school, I think for the first half of my career, which was basically spent on Wall Street, various firms, I found myself focusing primarily on promotion and success, right? And it seemed as for the first couple of decades, no matter how successful I was missing something, and it felt not fulfilling. And I've been extremely fortunate to have, I believe, have found an area within financial markets and financial planning that really aligns perfectly with my skill set and what I'm good at, and quite frankly gives me the most joy. And even, and the second part of that answer would be that I've was able and fortunate to have found a team that has been specializing within that field of expertise for the past 25 years. When I think about that, and as part of the reason I joined the firm was that I believe our team has unprecedented insight. When you think about financial advisory in the world of wealth management, many advisors position themselves to be able to service anyone and everyone, right? And as long as you have money. This team has a singular focus exclusively on business owners and their families, 5 days a week, 365 days a year, and to service this sector of the market, we've spent the partners and I have spent the last 25 years investing heavily to build out a highly credentialed and deep team of specialists, which I think gives us the unique ability, certainly against our peers, to advise and execute across, I would say, the entire estate and financial planning spectrum. The last area, which I think is a really competitive advantage against many of our peers, mostly in the wirehouses, is our ability to create what we like to call the uncompromising client alignment experience, where we put together a team that is very much like a family office-like structure, both from a servicing standpoint and just giving them kind of a one-stop shop feeling where they can come to. So those are the three primary reasons. Great question. I think with the preponderance of social media that's out there, whether you find it on your phone, the TV, or print, I think many people fall into the trap of chasing that latest fad, that latest stock or asset class. And certainly many advisors, especially when the money becomes real, they're telling everyone what they can do with their money. And I think what's being missed is what the money needs to do. So I would say what's really missed with people is, and what's really important, what's the only thing that really is important, is to find someone that can create a comprehensive financial plan that really reflects all your goals and dreams in retirement and beyond. And then from there, designing a portfolio that can deliver on those hopes and dreams. So that's, and the rest is noise. Well, Rhino Boot Camp, having now gone through it, really is somewhat of a boot camp. It's great. As I age and gain wisdom, so to speak, I realize that when I'm at my best, mind and spirit, I'm the best to my clients, my family, and myself. And so when that's not right, and that's only really, in my opinion, accomplished when you can go to a place like the Rhino Camp and detach from the daily grind. Also be presented with the best of a lot of the techniques out there, whether it's IQ, EQ, working genius, EOS, all the stuff that I think gets you to really rethink and self-reflect, but also I think giving you tools that it doesn't end here. You can take, it's just the beginning of that, or a foundation to build off of. So it's been a great experience, even the cold plunge.
I brought that up numerous times.